Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello again, welcome back to my channel. As you would have seen, today we'll be cooking coconut basmati rice, basmati coconut rice, and I'm going to be showing you the ingredients. This is the coconut milk, this is the basmati rice itself. I've shown you grounded pepper. You can also use like fresh coconut milk if you have like the time to, you know, dissect the coconut and extract the milk from it. But for today I'll be using this coconut cream that I bought in the store. It's about 350 300 naira, so it's quite easy for you to get, and you can get it for this purpose. I'll also be using the dry pepper. As I said earlier, I like my pepper so much. This is my curry, thyme for seasoning. This is my seasoning itself, Maggi. This is all ground spice. I'll be using some vegetables. This is my I'll be using carrots, green peas, sweet corn, parsley. I have fresh parsley today and I'm so glad that I have it. It's so nice. These are my carrots. I have green peppers, I have onions, and using oil. So I'll be frying chicken today, just so that I'm able to extract the stock from the chicken, to be able to get like the standard chicken taste inside my coconut rice. So that's why I have the chicken here. If you have like chicken stock or meat stock in the house, you can skip this process. So this is like all the ingredients that I'll be using. Parsley. So this is going to be so good. So right now I'm going to be cleaning my vegetables and chopping it up, and just preparing to get everything ready for the dish. So now I have cleaned all my ingredients. I have sliced everything. As you can see, they are ready. My sweet corn, onions, coconut milk is ready. I have my stock ready. I have boiled the chicken, and so I'm not going to be frying the chicken now. I'm just going to be frying it in this hot oil, and just getting everything ready. So now this is my basmati rice. I'm using 3 cups of basmati rice for this recipe. Just make sure that you wash your basmati rice very well, so as to get all the starch from it. It's quite very sticky, so wash it very well. And now I'll be boiling the basmati rice for a few minutes. This process is more like I'm parboiling the rice. It's just cooking it for about 5 to 10 minutes, just to steam it together, and so that I will not be cooking my vegetables too much by the time I'm frying everything together. So just allow it to boil, and then we'll come back. So now my rice is boiled. I will just test to see how cooked through it is. I just want to make sure that it's a bit cooked, so just try it out and see that it's cooked through, and then I'll be pouring the water away. That's the starchy water from the rice. I'll be pouring it away and be serving the rice for stirring together. So now we are ready to cook. This is my oil. I'll be adding my oil into the pot and allow it to heat up a bit, and then I'll be adding vegetables. First thing that goes in is the onion. I'll allow the onion to fry for a bit, and then I will add the carrots. Also, because the carrots is, carrots is a bit hard other than the other vegetables, so the carrot has to take a little bit of time to fry up and to cook through. And then I'll be adding some of my seasoning. So this is ginger. I'll be adding my ginger, and I will also be adding the grounded pepper, like a lot of grounded pepper, because I want this to be spicy. And I'll just be adding grounded pepper. I'll also be adding the all ground spice to this, and just allow it to fry for a bit. Now I'll be adding all the other vegetables and all the other greens, and sweet corn, green peas, every other thing that is in my plate. I'll be adding it, and then I'll be adding all my other spices, salt, seasoning itself and every other thing I want to add. I'll also be adding some parsley into it, just to like, I love parsley a lot. This smell itself is heavenly. So I'm just taking some of the vegetables out for garnishing later on. So this is just like me explaining everything I'm doing in this session. So I'm adding every of the seasoning and everything together. I'll allow you to fry, no water added, just oil and vegetables and seasonings. Now that you have fried them, it's time for us to add the basmati, cooked parboiled basmati rice, and I will also allow you to fry up a bit. I didn't add any water, it's just the oil and vegetables. Now I've added the rice. I will allow you to fry up, and then I'll add my coconut milk. I used all the whole container of coconut milk, which is about 2 cups of coconut milk for 3 cups of rice, because this is like what's going to cook the coconut rice through. So add your stock. I'll stir everything together, and I'll also taste to make sure that the taste is in the right consistency and allowed to cook through. So this is how to cook your coconut basmati rice. It's quite simple and straightforward. It's easy, and I hope that it's quite easy for you. After about 15 minutes, as you can see, our coconut rice is ready. So anybody that is saying that basmati coconut rice is difficult to cook, I don't know, because this is like quite easy and straightforward, and I hope that you get all the method that I have enlisted in this video. This is how our coconut basmati rice look like, and about now I'll just be serving. As you can see, this is quite so simple. You can also use any kind of rice for this. You can even use brown rice or like native rice for this. It's quite easy to get. It's simple and very delicious. Just change up your rice style and do something interesting on a Sunday or on for lunch. So this is just our rice, and this is how it looks like. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.